Hi, welcome to Kitchen Chemistry with Essential Wholesale and Labs. I'm Tinica, and today we're making a fun product by popular demand from all of you who watch our channel and subscribe. We are making a Pre-Poo Potty spray. So much like a potpourri product for the toilet, we are making the same kind of spray. So let's just get started. Okay, to make your Pre-Poo Potty spray, you'll need some ingredients. Very simple recipe, so very easy to make. You will need 1 1/8 cup of vegetable glycerin, 3/4 cup of USDA certified organic lavender distillate, and 3 teaspoons of peppermint essential oil. Okay, so this is so easy to make. It really doesn't require much. I'm going to use a high shear mixer, but you could use a whisk. It just takes a little bit more effort to get the essential oil blended into the glycerin. So we're just going to pour that right in there. Get every last drop. And we're just going to blend that together. And then we're going to simply add our lavender distillate. So I'm just going to pour that right in there. And mix it up again. And it's that simple. Now you simply pour off into, we suggest 2-ounce bottles with a sprayer top. And the idea behind this product is that you spray it in the toilet before you go. So you spray the toilet water, and the essential oils help trap any bad odors underneath the water. And I have found that this actually works pretty darn well, despite I was skeptical and didn't think it was going to work, and it works pretty darn well. And there's an extra little benefit that I didn't really plan on. Because of the peppermint essential oil, it gives your bum a nice minty feeling. I don't know how else to say that, and I know it's kind of funny, but I thought I would share that because I thought it was great. Anyways, we hope you enjoy your Pre-Poo Potty spray, and thanks for watching today.